BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we are expecting the next version of Microsoft Edge, version 106, to roll out towards the end of this week, starting the 29th, which will be Thursday. And it seems that Microsoft has now pushed out another update for version 105, which is still the current stable release. And once again, it's another point release update to fix various bugs and performance issues in the browser. And about 4 days or so ago, they pushed out a bug and performance fix update, which I did post on. And now it seems just before the rollout of the next major version, 106, they're pushing out another point release update, which they say will roll out progressively over the next day or so. So if you don't see the update already, then I'm sure you'll get it sooner than later. Now, as always, to check if you have the update, we just head to the menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And if you do use Edge, open and close the browser on a regular basis, these updates will take place automatically in the background. And if not, then this process will force the update. And the latest version and build now is 105.0.1343.53. And as mentioned, it's just a point release update to the browser. Where we have gone from 0.50 to 0.53, and that 0.53 includes those various bug and performance issue fixes that Microsoft have rolled out once again. And it's quite common for Microsoft to roll out maintenance updates where bugs and performance issues are addressed and stability issues are addressed between major version upgrades. So if you have experienced any issues in the browser, as always, just double check that your browser is up to date, and this update then could address and resolve those issues. And as mentioned, version 106 rolling out later on this week, which will be the next stable release for desktop. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.